This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Edgar Monge. Don't miss out. Beautiful brick-faced ranch with large fenced-in backyard, great for gardening, pets, or entertaining family and friends. Hardwood/ceramic tile/vinyl flooring throughout. Notable features: pocket doors, storm door, French patio door with blinds between the glass, easy access vinyl windows with blinds, fan/light combos with remotes, garage service door, new garage door opener, no remote. Fresh paint throughout, new stainless steel appliances, new door hardware, new light fixtures. Advanced HVAC cleaning/maintenance conducted, new 6mm vapor barrier, dehumidifier and vent covers installed in the crawl space, and extensive exterior siding/aluminum wrap work conducted. Your new home is move-in ready and conveniently located near